MDX Ingestion method number 2. Automated connection, a streamlined pipeline. Some agencies work with data that updates constantly, like project trackers or operational systems. For these cases, Maryland Data Exchange offers an automated connection. Instead of manually sending files, Maryland Data Exchange sets up a persistent connector to the agency's system. Think of it like a secure data bridge that stays open. Whenever new data appears in that system, Maryland Data Exchange automatically pulls it in using a reliable, scheduled process. This means agencies don't have to lift a finger. The updates simply flow into the internal data portal on their own. These connections work smoothly with tools many agencies already use, like Smartsheet, Google Sheets, or Microsoft Excel stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Automated connections reduce manual work, keep dashboards up to date, and gives everyone a near real-time picture of what's happening. The Maryland Coordinated Permitting Review Council brings together permitting information from several state agencies, including Maryland Department of the Environment, Maryland Department of Transportation, Maryland Department of Natural Resources, Maryland Department of Planning, Maryland Historical Trust, and the Office of the Maryland State Fire Marshal. Each agency tracks the status of permits they review, and the council brings all of this information into one shared Smartsheet so it's easier to monitor. To keep the dashboard up to date, Maryland Data Exchange uses an automated connector. Every day, a small Python program securely pulls the latest permit data from Smartsheet and sends it into the internal data portal. You can think of it like a translator that moves the data from one system into another. Once the data reaches the IDP, it feeds a dashboard that shows where permits are in the approval process. This helps improve transparency, highlights where delays may be happening, and supports efforts to make doing business in Maryland easier. With automated connection, the agencies don't have to manually upload anything. The data moves on its own every day, keeping the dashboard current and giving everyone a clear, unified view of permitting activity across the state.